Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for no-nonsense reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're talking about what we believe is hands down the best 10-inch round cake pan you can get your hands on, the Wilton aluminum round cake pan. This pan is a staple in any baker's kitchen. Whether you're a beginner trying your first sponge or a pro going for a multi-layered showstopper, Wilton brings you a 10 by 2 inch round cake pan made of anodized aluminum. That means it's not just lightweight and durable, it's rust-resistant and built to last for years. Now here's where this pan shines. Aluminum ensures consistent heat distribution, so no hot spots, no uneven baking, no burned edges. Just beautiful, golden layers all the way through. You'll notice how the cake comes out evenly risen with minimal doming. That's less trimming, less waste, and more cake in your final masterpiece. And because it's non-reactive, you won't get any weird metallic tastes, even with acidic batters like lemon or buttermilk. Cleanup is quick and easy. And since it's designed without PFAs, it's safer for you and your family. Wilton also stands behind its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, so it's not just a great buy, it's a reliable one. Sure, there are cheaper pans out there, but they warp, discolor, or bake unevenly. With Wilton, you're investing in precision and durability that professional bakers trust. That's why it's earned its spot as Amazon's choice and continues to be a bestseller month after month. Whether you're baking a birthday cake, a tiered wedding cake, or just experimenting on the weekend, this pan has your back. No frills, no gimmicks, just great results. That wraps up our spotlight on the Wilton 10-inch round cake pan, the unsung hero of your baking arsenal. If you're ready to upgrade your bakeware, this is the one to grab. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and smart product picks. See you in the next one.